But you know,
Did the politicians come?
all of them come out, Copie no 1 year, no about no politician. Copie say, politician, hey, got something to talk to you like, he is intelligent, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So if he's a ragamuffin and you talk to him in a ragamuffin, he talk to you in a ragamuffin. You know. But if he's a decent citizen and you ask him certain question, he might say you in a certain way, you know.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. Like you would say, hey, Copie, what's up? He say, what's up, man? But he say, Wagwan. He say, Wagwan. So anything you say him follow. I suck up it. Yeah, man. When Mr. Brown finds a thing a go on, he never usually come in the yard, him sleep in bush. Can't couldn't take what go on at the yard.
So Mrs. Brown and Marva stayed in the yard?
Yeah, them have to stay there because they don't know if you go. But right now, I don't know where that thing vanish right now, you know. All of a sudden it does.
Just not hear it again.
No hear it again. Until today. All right. I don't know if you remember it say one drunko did look for Mr. Brown, he done coffee in Jamaica. Yeah. You know hear about that out there?
Yes. Yes.
Whether this man me said did look for.
This morning one?
Yeah, this man Mr. Brown, me said the drunko did look for with the coffee.
Okay.
Because he must go on with something in England and Scotland for me here, but you can't for the people.
Right.
So my name attack when me.
Wait, no. You're saying what you witnessed for yourself.
Witness for myself, baby. Naturally thing me I tell you. A long time I want to talk about Copie, you know, coming, you know, and that was a great event in Jamaica, you know.
The whole Jamaica?
The whole Jamaica, me say. Everywhere you go, you hear about this Copie talking. True that. No people say they not come a Fontil, you know. Because Fontil is Duppy town. Because Copie there. The wickedest Duppy of Jamaica, then say a Copie. What an end of Duppy, my girl. A genie. To me see the finger and look like daddy baby. No Duppy no stay so. Because you can't see Duppy so. Because me see the finger then. You may love one girl I know named Miss B.
Miss B? Okay.
You may love the girl I know. And the tiny girl come on, I talk to him. He talk to Copie. He say Miss Brown Pum Pum here and here. You know what Miss Brown Pum Pum? Miss Brown Pum Pum here. Reality me I tell you, my girl. Reality me I tell you about it. Copie will be here. Probably no phone in the time now. If phone in there, you can take Copie picture. Not catching by. Time I mash off the phone. Because when the JBC come and tell the front of you, them come and he gone. You know want nobody catching voice now put him on a TV now, and he gone. And then come and couldn't catch him, and them have to go back at town.
So nobody in the media was able to record
No,
anything?
nobody.
You have to be here?
Yes. Yeah, man. A whole heap of thing going in the community with Copie, man. Whole heap of thing going. Through that, Miss Brown knew that God is 7-day church. The people, them, when the 7-day people, them, if they may have God in them down there, try to segregate themselves from her. But then coming like Miss Brown themselves, because when Miss Brown got church, people are drawing and I shift up on her.
They're afraid of her?
You know?
Yeah, I was wondering, how did the church respond to that?
Well, the church don't respond now, you know, because the church coming like, say, no. All the church people, they want to hear Copie, you know, so they come within church.
So nobody never come for not jumping, for exercise?
No, Copie don't want to jump on them place, man. And he can sing. People want to hear Copie sing. Some reggae music, some calypso. All right, Mr. Brown, yeah, so want something like one jar. You know, them first and clear jar.
Yes.
Full of silver penny and sitting on them money there for England. Could be dash everything out the door and say, Mr. Brown, you're too wicked. Mr. Brown, you're too wicked, and dash everything. Dash everything. Nothing good. Well, you got eventually Miss Brown, people them from Clarendon. You hear what I take place of Miss Brown. Because she has her family them come from Clarendon. And then take her away from here. And carry them to Clarendon. And when them take her away and gone, Copie must choke Mr. Brown and bush and kill him. Because when they grow, they go look at Mr. Brown. And dead in a bush. One ring with grass. Round him. Grass. Like, it's somebody put a ring of grass around him and he didn't go fall so I'm dead. Because when he's dead, I will hear go down in bush. That man, when you got that man bush, you know, banana, planting, everything stay on him, peel and ripe off him. I don't be the bird go pick one. I tell you. Because when people hear about him, people get scared of him now. Get scared of them.
So did you ever hear what Mr. Brown could have possibly been involved in, if he may have done anything to anybody?
No, me not really hear if him do anybody nothing, you know. Me not hear, cause as what me tell you, there was a good person. Give all the while.
Kind.
So you know you're not going to expect a person who kind have a bad mind.
Mm-hmm.
You get me?
Right.
So people never really think of them that way.
Right.
People think of them as good persons.
Yes.
Okay? Because my grandmother and that lady was good friend.
Miss Brown.
Yeah. Anytime she see my grandmother, she say, Mother Lucy, walk on, call them, call my grandmother.
Mother Lucy.
Mother Lucy, walk on, and it was them sit down and chat until they gone and separate. She, Miss Brown, girl, me go there the chocolate where they make. Where she make and carry. When holiday time, she would, she a old foreigner, she would go around and get the elderly them certain things.
Right.
So people never really think about them as that type of person will come out, you know. Will come out.
Mm-hmm.
You get me? Yes, so I just now we there. Copie, I want serious thing, man.
Did Copie hurt anybody outside of, you said, Mr. Brown?
You know, hurt nobody, you know. When the crowd is there at the night, the biggest crowd on Sunday night, people get hurt, but I not Copie hurt them. Because Copie start fling stone in the crowd and say, go on the yard and leave me alone. And people start moving and trample, man, all about trample people. But he never really go on with no dangerous thing away from that.
Right.
Man get the car on the outside, it's stone and bust it up, you know. Copie said, leave me alone. And Mr. Brown, leave me and Miss Brown alone. That's the only time I can remember where that's, but Copie didn't come to hurt nobody. Like wickedness, evilness. And that's the way that it end up with them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what do you think Copie wanted in the end? I mean, he was, or Copie was locked up for a long time in this box, as you say.
Well, yes, a long time now, Copie, you know, want no, Copie say no one, he want to go back to England. Aye. Copie say want to go back to England. I forgot to tell you. Copie say want to go back to England. We ask Copie, where you come from? He say England. He say you want to go back to England, you know. Copie say want to go back to England. So we don't even take the plane and go back to England. Because Genie, anything can.
Anything is possible. Anything is possible.
Yeah.
So after you said it Copie was playing the yard for about 3 months, and then you just stopped hearing.
Yeah.
Nothing at all.
No, we don't hear nothing from him again, because poker people come here. Science man come here to catch him. All sort of man come here to catch Copie and then can't catch Copie. Because Copie, I just reach across now Copie tell us, well, man, I come to catch me, you know. No sign of him all 2 days in a year, Copie.